Today I'm going to show you Google's brand new Gemini 2.5 Flash image update that just dropped. This thing is completely free and it's about to change everything. I'm talking about editing photos like a pro without any skills, making characters that look exactly the same across different pictures, and blending multiple images together with just one simple command. This is going to blow your mind. So here's what just happened. Google released something they're calling Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And let me tell you, this is not just another boring update. This is a complete game changer that's going to make every other image AI tool look like a toy. The crazy part, it's completely free right now. You can use it today. No waiting lists, no premium subscriptions, just pure AI magic at your fingertips. But here's what makes this different from everything else out there. Most AI image tools can create pictures, sure, but they can't maintain consistency. They can't blend images properly. And they definitely can't edit with the precision you need for real business use. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image just solved all of that, and I'm going to show you exactly how powerful this thing really is. Let's start with the first mind-blowing feature, character consistency. You know that frustrating problem where you create an amazing character with AI, but when you ask for another picture of the same character, it looks completely different? That problem just got solved. With Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, you can now create the same character across multiple images, same face, same style, same everything. This is huge for content creators, marketers, and anyone building a brand. Think about this. You could create a mascot for your business, generate that mascot in different poses, different backgrounds, different scenarios, all while keeping the exact same look and feel. This used to take professional designers weeks to do. Now you can do it in minutes. But wait, it gets better. Remember how most AI tools struggle with editing? They either mess up the whole image or they can't make precise changes? Not anymore. This new model can make targeted edits using just normal language. I'm talking about removing specific objects from photos, changing backgrounds without touching the subject, adding or removing people, changing poses, even colorizing black and white photos. The precision is insane. You can tell it to remove a stain from a shirt, and it will only remove the stain. Nothing else changes. You can tell it to blur the background, and it knows exactly what the background is versus the subject. This is the kind of editing that used to require expensive software like Photoshop and hours of manual work. Now it's as simple as typing what you want. And here's where it gets really interesting. Most AI image generators are pretty but dumb. They can make nice-looking pictures, but they don't understand the real world. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is different because it's connected to Gemini's world knowledge. What does that mean? It means this AI actually understands what it's creating. It knows the difference between a Ferrari and a Toyota. It knows what a sunset looks like in different parts of the world. It understands fashion trends, architecture styles, historical periods, and so much more. This world knowledge unlocks use cases that were impossible before. You can ask it to create historically accurate images, technically correct diagrams, realistic product mock-ups that actually make sense. But the feature that's going to change everything for businesses is multi-image fusion. This is where things get really crazy. You can now take multiple images and blend them together with a single prompt. I'm talking about taking a product photo, a background image, and maybe a lifestyle shot, then asking the AI to combine them into one perfect marketing image. Real estate agents could take photos of furniture and blend them into empty rooms. E-commerce stores could place their products into any environment. Content creators could build entire scenes by combining different elements. The quality is so good that the final images look like professional photography, not like obvious AI composites. We're talking about seamless blending that would take professional editors hours to achieve. Now, let me tell you about the technical side, because this is where Google really showed off. The model is called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, and they're actually calling it Nano Banana internally. I have no idea why, but the name is fun. It's available right now through the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, and Vertex AI for enterprise users. The pricing is incredibly reasonable at $30 per million output tokens. Each image costs about 4 cents to generate. That's basically free for most use cases. But here's the really cool part. Google built template apps in AI Studio that you can use right away. They have a photo editing app, a character consistency app, a multi-image fusion app, and even an educational tutor app. These aren't just demos. These are fully functional apps that you can customize and use for your own projects. You can literally remix them with just a prompt. Want to change how the photo editor works? Just tell it what you want, and it modifies the code automatically. And if you're worried about people stealing your AI-generated images, Google thought of that too. Every image created with Gemini 2.5 Flash image includes an invisible watermark called SynthID. This lets people identify AI-generated content automatically. Now let's talk about what this means for different industries. Content creators are about to have a field day with this. You can create consistent characters for your stories, generate custom thumbnails that actually match your brand, create product mock-ups without hiring designers. For e-commerce businesses, this is revolutionary. You can place your products in any setting, create lifestyle photos without expensive photo shoots, generate variations of your product images for A/B testing. Marketing agencies can create custom visuals for every client. Real estate professionals can stage empty properties virtually. Educators can create custom diagrams and illustrations for their courses. The possibilities are literally endless. And because it's so easy to use, you don't need to be a designer or have any technical skills. But here's what I'm most excited about. This is just the beginning. Google is actively working on improving text rendering in images, even better character consistency, and more accurate factual representation. They're also partnering with platforms like OpenRouter AI and Fowl AI to make this available to millions of developers. This means we're going to see apps and tools built on top of this technology very soon. The timing of this release is perfect, right when everyone is trying to create more visual content, right when businesses need to stand out online, right when the cost of professional design and photography is getting too expensive for small businesses. Google just democratized professional-level image creation and editing. This used to be the domain of expensive agencies and skilled professionals. Now anyone can do it. Let me show you how to get started because I know you want to try this right now. Go to Google AI Studio. That's aistudio.google.com. Create a free account if you don't have one already. Look for Gemini 2.5 Flash image in the model selector. You'll see it listed as Gemini 2.5 Flash preview image. Click on that and you're ready to go. Start with simple prompts to get a feel for what it can do. Try something like, create a professional headshot of a businessman in a modern office, or edit this photo to remove the background and add a sunset. Once you get comfortable with basic prompts, start experimenting with the advanced features. Try character consistency by creating a character and then asking for that same character in different poses or settings. Test the multi-image fusion by uploading several images and asking the AI to combine them. The results will blow your mind. And don't forget to try the template apps that Google built. They're the perfect way to understand what's possible without having to build anything from scratch. But here's a pro tip. Start thinking about how this fits into your business or content creation workflow. Don't just play with it for fun. Think strategically about how professional level image generation and editing can give you an advantage. Maybe you're creating social media content and you need consistent visuals. Maybe you're building a website and you need custom graphics. Maybe you're launching a product and you need marketing materials. Whatever your use case, this tool can probably help you do it better, faster, and cheaper than traditional methods. Now, I want to be real with you about something. This technology is advancing so fast that if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. The businesses and creators who adopt these tools early are going to have a massive advantage over those who wait. We're not talking about some future technology that might be useful someday. This is available right now. Your competitors could be using it tomorrow. The question is, are you going to be ahead of the curve or behind it? The barrier to entry for professional quality content just disappeared. The excuse that good visuals are too expensive or too complicated just became invalid. The playing field just got leveled in a major way. Small businesses can now compete with big corporations when it comes to visual content. Individual creators can produce content that looks like it came from major studios. Students can create presentations that look professionally designed. This is one of those moments where everything changes, and the people who recognize it early and act on it are going to benefit the most. So here's what I recommend you do right now. First, go try it out. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Actually go to Google AI Studio and test it yourself. Play with the different features, see what's possible. Second, start thinking about your specific use cases. What kind of images do you need for your business or projects? How could better image creation and editing help you achieve your goals? Third, start experimenting with incorporating AI-generated visuals into your workflow. Don't try to replace everything at once. Start small and gradually expand as you get more comfortable. And fourth, stay informed about updates and new features. This technology is moving fast, and new capabilities are being added regularly. The companies and creators who master these tools early are going to have a significant advantage. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about augmenting it and making it more accessible. Now, before we wrap up, I want to tell you about some resources that can help you master AI tools like this and use them to grow your business. If you're serious about scaling your business and want to learn how to use AI automation to get more customers and save hundreds of hours, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the latest AI strategies that are actually working to build real businesses. It's the best place to learn how to turn AI tools like this Gemini update into actual business results. I also want to invite you to join my free AI Money Lab community. We have over 20,000 members sharing AI updates, free training, and practical tips every single day. I'll put the link in the comments and description below. The bottom line is this: the Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Update is a game changer. It's free, it's available now, and it's going to give early adopters a massive advantage. Don't sleep on this. Go try it out today. Start experimenting, start building, and most importantly, start thinking about how you can use this to achieve your goals faster and better than ever before. The future of image creation and editing just arrived, and it's more accessible than anyone expected. The question isn't whether this technology is going to change everything. The question is whether you're going to be part of that change or watching it happen from the sidelines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.